Hi, I'm Natalie from Academic Skills, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of Zoom. Zoom is an online platform often used to deliver lectures and seminars synchronously. If your course uses Zoom, you'll likely find the Zoom links in your Blackboard course site. In this course, we can see a link called Zoom Live Sessions on the left-hand menu. To enter the lecture or seminar, simply select that link, find the appropriate meeting time, and select the Join button to enter the Zoom meeting. If it's your first time using Zoom, you'll likely be prompted to download the program onto your device. Once you're in the Zoom meeting, you'll find settings and options on the bottom of your screen. I'll show you the ones you're most likely to use. First, we have the mute and unmute button, as well as advanced audio settings related to your microphone or speaker. We have a stop and start video button, as well as advanced video settings such as changing your background or choosing a video filter. Next, you can find a list of participants who are in the meeting, a chat box where you can ask questions or respond to questions or prompts given to you by your instructor. Depending on the settings of the meeting, controlled by the meeting host, you might be able to share your screen to share a document or tab that you have open on your device. A record feature is often controlled by the meeting host, where a meeting can be recorded for later viewing. And we also have a reaction tab where you can select an icon to display in the corner of your video box, as well as raise your hand if you have a question. One additional feature that I'll show you is how to rename yourself in a Zoom room. If you hover over the video box, you'll of course see your name in the bottom corner, as well as an opportunity to mute yourself or some advanced options here. If you click the box with the 3 dots, you'll find an option to rename yourself, where you can change your name and set it for the rest of the meeting. When the meeting comes to an end and you're ready to leave the session, you can simply click the red Leave button and you will exit the Zoom meeting. And that covers it for our Zoom tour.